what we have right now in front of us are empty chairs. Uh, Itong ginawa ng mga opisyalis from the executive branch of government is a total snub to as far as we're concerned. And ito'y tahasang pagbaliwala sa doktrina ng checks and balances ng ating gobyerno. Kung ayaw na mag-attend ng hearing, ibig sabihin, ayaw na nilang magpapacheck sa atin na co-equal branch of government. So what will happen to this? Pag tuluyang ganito ang mangyayari is, I think we are now on the verge of a constitutional crisis kapag tuluyan nilang isnab yung ating imbitasyon. Wala na mangyari. Wala na respetuhan ito sa isang kapwa co-equal branch of government.